Hello and welcome to Gapey's Bees. On May 27th, I added the 6 flow frames to one of my beehives, and before doing so, I sprayed each of the frames front and back with a little bit of sugar syrup. I've heard a lot of people complain about their bees not liking the flow frames because they're made of plastic. So to help them accept the frames a little bit better, I decided to spray them with sugar syrup. I also use plastic foundation on my hives, and I usually do that on those as well, and that seems to help. So within a couple of days, they were already all over the frames, licking up the sugar syrup and preparing them for collecting nectar. So in this video, I've gone through and did a quick inspection of the hive that I put the frames on and cleaned up some of the fur comb that was on them, and I sped it up so it wouldn't be 20 minutes long. So hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.